Give me your 5 minutes and I will show you how to use this indicator by Luxalgo called the range detector. It's actually a very great indicator, and as you can see right on our chart, just as the name suggests, it actually detects a range. And so how are you supposed to trade a range? This is basically what I want to talk about, these levels over here. And so guys, I just wanted to pay close attention because I know this is not just a video. It will really help you. So guys, I want us to use this top line over here, our resistance level, and our lower line over here as our support level. Imagine they will help us know, number one, breakout, number two, as what they're just going to show us the trend of the market, rather where the market is actually heading to. That's a hint. And so to other indicator, just going to click on indicator as tab. Once you click on indicator as tab, you're just going to type range detector Luxalgo. You click on it. Once you click on it, it will appear like this right on a chart, and basically this is the indicator. I just want to show you how to use it. Okay, so guys, I had to tell you we do have type of ranges close to each other and far from each other. I don't want to talk about that because I've really talked about that. So what you're just going to do right on a chart is identify which kind of a range do you have. And so guys, the cycle of the market, you're supposed to know, number one, it moves from a ranging market to a trending market. That's what you're supposed to keep in mind whenever you are using this indicator. So when it comes to a ranging market over here, you expect to find a trending market, and a trending market happens when we find, or rather when we have a breakout. So let me talk about this level over here. This market was super ranging, and so it was a close range that was super close to each other. So trading a range like this, you can lose your money. So the top line, I told you, it can be our resistance, and the last one can be our support. So when price breaks above this resistance zone over here, that's a breakout. And so it was an aggressive move whereby we even didn't have a retest at the level, and that's why the market aggressively pushed to the upside. You understand me? So how are you supposed to confirm your trades? Number one, when price breaks above your resistance level, now this becomes your support level. Even in future, when price comes back to this level, you will see it reacting to it as well. So you need to see where the first, the second, and the third candlestick will close it. If they close above, that will be definitely a push to the upside, and this happened right here. Okay, so guys, the secret is understanding the type of a range market you have. Like I can ask you, which type of a range do we have over here? Are you supposed to trade this type of a range? Because this is your resistance, and this is your support as well, and this is your high, and this is a low as well. And so guys, to know a breakout that will take place is whereby price fails to reach your support here. This is level number one, level number two, and also indeed a breakout happened. Though it was a false breakout, it did not really proceed to the upside. Then there was a creation of another consolidation over here, and this is the level now I want to talk about. This is whereby we had our previous resistance or a high over here, and it extended. Here again, you got your resistance level, and this is your support level as well. So what are you supposed to know? Number one, for you to execute trades, what do you use to confirm trades? Number one, you can use breakout structure. And so if you're on a resistance level over here, extend this line, and if price breaks below this previous high over here, or rather your previous resistance over here, you're supposed to execute your trades because it has been broken below. And again, when it breaks below your minor support level, now becomes your resistance. This will really signify a push, and if you can watch this careful, it really reacted to this zone over here. So the only thing you do is extending the line, and that's how the market ended up. And I'm so much excited because this is the simplest way you can use this indicator. Ranges are super important as far as forex trading is concerned, because I've told you the market moves from consolidation phase, then it starts to trend. Also, if you can look this, it happened. This was a trending market here, a trending market here, a trending market again. And guys, you can see these zones over here, they're super effective, because you can see, yes, candlestick was trying to break above it, then they were rejected. The second candlestick rejected, and the market really pushes to the downside. They are very effective levels, and so you're supposed to use them as your support and resistance level. I know you can ask me, What if price comes back to the level? Let's say this was a retest and this candlestick happened to close above this level over here, or rather this range over here. What are you supposed to know? A range like this, you cannot take trades because we have brokers who have very wide spreads, and it will be hard for us to make money in this phase over here. So don't take trades when price is actually in here. So guys, this is 15 minutes time frame. You can look this on 5 minutes time frame and see. And I'm telling you, this indicator is super effective because you can use what happened before, you understand me, to take trades on live market, rather to make decisions on live market. Here we have a consolidating market happening over here. We have our resistance level and support here, and you can see this is super far from each other, and you can see being broken below, it shows us a continuation to the downside, and that's why this move was super an aggressive move. When all these structures tends to be broken below, it will be a push to the downside. If they fail to be broken, like in this case is over here, this is a consolidation you should not trade. A consolidation you should not trade until when there will be a breakout, and it will be a trending market. Okay, so guys, other phase of trading forex, it happens most of the times, and so use it when you want to execute your trades. 30 minutes time frame here again, you had your consolidation in this level over here, and so price broke your previous resistance and another one here, and this is actually what is happening on live market, price trying to push to the downside. So make sure all your rules are completely followed when you're using this indicator. It is very great, and I will recommend it to any trader, a beginner, an experienced trader, and I know it's going to help you regardless of how you know it. Okay, so guys, let me hope you've learned something from this video. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't liked this video as well. But guys, you can use this also on higher time frames like 1 hour to know whether there is a range detected, but all your rules must be followed. Use the lower time frames to get early entries. Okay, so guys, you can see how effective it is. Structures broken here on 1 hour, and it really proceeds to the downside. So guys, use it this way, and I know it is going to help you in one way or the other. Okay, so guys, I don't have much to say. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't liked this video as well. Continue working hard, because I really know one day your hard work will pay you. And so guys, what do I say? Bye bye, see you in my next video.